Hi everybody, Sally from Sallystampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today I am bringing you my Tree Lot Dies campers. I have seen something very similar to this on on Pinterest, sorry, but it was an open box. So albeit it was made the same, there was no lid on the box, and I just thought, well, surely we can put some form of box on. A lid on, and so I sort of came up with this. I do really quite like it actually, and I think you know, as little favours or treats or anything really, party gifts, if you're on holiday or whatever, I thought they'd be really fun to make. So I'm going to show you how I did it. It's really simple. So just for the box itself, the rest is just die cuts, but for the box itself you need a piece that is 2 by 6.5, 4.5 by 15.5. On the short side we're going to score at 1/2 inch and 1.5, or 1 and 3.5 centimetres, and then rotate and score again at 1/2, 2.5, 3 and 6. And that will be 1, 6, 7 and 14.5 in centimetres. Okay, fold and burnish the box. Let's say this was so simple, and I really like the fact that it has a little lid on it. Okay, so on the shorter section, so this is the shorter section, we're going to cut into these little tabs here, and likewise here and on the other side. And this one here. And then on the top here, we're just actually going to cut these away. Okay, I don't know why that doesn't look so straight, that's why. There we go. Right, then once we've done that, all you need to do then is just put some adhesive on these 4 tabs. And then I'll just leave that to dry for a short time. Pegs, pegs. And then, oops, it's a little bit fiddly because that lid bit gets in the way, and it's just quite small, but it's worth it, I think. So that one onto there. And then the last one, fiddly one in the corner here, and then pop the peg on. Come on out of the way, Mr. Lid. There we go. So I'm going to leave that to dry, and then I've just got some various colours here, and the Tree Lot dies, which again, there's 24 dies in here. I mean, it's just amazing, isn't it, how many there are? So I need the caravan, I need the decorative panels, I need the banner, and I need the curtain, and I think that's it. Okay, so let's run these through, and all of these, they're not using any specific card, it's just some basic white, and then I've got some soft succulent for these parts, black for the tyres, and grey for the stand. I'm just trimming this down because it will be, I can do 2 lots at a time, you see, then through the machine. Right, so only need the mini, fabulous mini. So I'm going to whiz a caravan through, and I'm also going to whiz a soft succulent through as well. So all those elements together and spin that through. Oh, get my muscles working. So take the caravan out there. Don't need those bits. Take those bits off. I don't need that again. Take that off. I do need that. Do need that. And do need this. There we go. And then we're going to go back through again with that, and that. Oops. There we go. So back through again. Crumbs, everything's moving. Oh, come on, don't play this game with me now. Come on, through we go. There we go. Okay. So we have, I need that. There's that. Get rid of those. Don't need that. Don't need that. But I do need those. Oh! Did I not put that through last time? Oh well, never mind. Okay, so now what you need to do, bless me, excuse me, and do apologise. So for your caravan, you will need your basic black, just a tiny bit, and a tiny bit of basic grey or whatever colour you want to use. So one of each. And what you want to do is put your caravan on so that you're just going to cut the tyre and the stand at the front there. And you need to do that twice too. So take that off. So there's that piece. There's the tyre. And then just quickly run it through again, like so, and then I will show you how to assemble it all. Okay, so, oh, I did do it, I did do two, look, it's hidden in there. Any of you eagle-eyed crafters spotted that? Well done, because I certainly didn't. Okay, so for the first side, really simple. Wet glue, add the base colour just onto there, like so. Oops. Add to the top on like so. And then your curtain piece, just going to use some tweezers here because it can get quite fiddly messy. Just a tiny bit of adhesive, if it will come out. Come on. Thank you. And this will just sit there. And then the banner, again I'm just going to add a drop to the either end of the thing there, and then it will just sit across like so. And then your tyre, you've already got the sort of mark, if you like, from the scoring, so you can just follow that, oops, follow that along, and again simple, just a bit of adhesive, and you can pop the tyre on. And exactly the same with your toe-in bar, I guess. Just trim this. It's just a little bit fiddly, this is, but as I say, I just think it's so worth it because it just looks so much fun. A little bit of adhesive on here. And again, this will just sit on there. So that's the front one done. Super simple. To do the opposite side, you're going to have the good side on the inside. So turn your thing over. The curtain is fine because that actually doesn't matter which way round that one goes. So you can put your curtain back on. Your tyre is equally the same. So again, just add a bit of adhesive and pop your tyre on. And of course this would be, if you like, the bad side that nobody sees, because then your toe-in bar, you will need to put your adhesive on the good side. Like so. And then for your top and bottom bits, if you turn them over, you're going to lose those bits of detail. All you need to do is grab your scoring tool and your ruler, and you can actually see the lines through where it's been die cut. So you can just follow those lines and you've got your own patterned part. That wasn't very straight at all. But now, instead of them having the scored bit that you did when you die cut, it's just the same. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying for any minute that it looks wonderful, because it doesn't, but it does mean that you can still have the reverse on the other side. You just have to remember to adhere the wrong side, if you like. Okay, so those are those two pieces done. Now I just need to bring in my box. And before you do any more, what you need to do is get your bone folder and curve your lid like you would with ribbon. Oh, actually, I've completely forgotten. You need to cut these edges off here. Silly me. Cut the long sides off. Just do this one. And then, yeah, just use your bone folder to curl. And then this will sit just inside like so. So that's out of the way. Add some adhesive to your box just on this side. And when I did mine, I made sure that this bottom edge of the box levelled up with the bottom of here, because it just makes it a little easier. And then stick that one on like so. And then your reverse is exactly the same. And you're just going to stick this one on here too. Just like so. So it's not as pretty, but it looks just as good. And then if your roof does this, all you need to do is very gently squash the card until it's in the shape you want, and then you won't get that extra bit, and it actually almost looks like a full-on caravan. How cute are they? I love them. Could make a whole squad of them, couldn't you, in different colours? It would be so much fun. Anyway, thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you all very soon.